Hey guys, and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Wok and Roll with Icobacca. My name is David, aka Icobacca, and I will be teaching you the hints and tricks and tips to Chinese cookery if you have never done it before. In the first episode, I'm going to show you today the equipment that you will need to start your Chinese journey. Let's wok and roll. First of all, you will need a wok. This is a carbon steel wok. It is a flat bottomed wok, suitable for most hobs, including gas and electric. Convection will also work as well. So this is an important, and you will need to season it as well before you start. So I can also do a video later on because I want to get another wok, slightly different one. But yes, carbon steel wok, very, very important. If you don't have a carbon steel wok and you still want to do something, then a high-sided frying pan will work just as well. Although not necessary at first, this is just showing a rounded bottom wok. This is not a carbon steel wok. This is a stainless steel wok. Now I tend to use the stainless steel wok for creating corrosive sauces, like your sweet and sours, your hot and sours, and sauces of those kind that go in. Because if you put or try to create a sauce in carbon steel wok after it's seasoned, then you will remove that seasoning unless it's very, very well seasoned. So for that, you either use a non-stick wok, and I've got one of those as well, or a stainless steel wok. For your woks, you will also need a lid. This is one of my original lids from Ken Hom. That shows you how that's going far back. Ken Hom wok with a lid for when you're steaming and boiling things that you need to leave for a little while, so you need a lid. In addition to your equipment, what you'll also need is a spatula like this, and you will need a ladle. These are special ones that I bought from the Chinese supermarket, and they are the two primary pieces of equipment that you will use for stir fries, and obviously handy for scooping and scraping. Okay, now any good Chinese cooking would not be amiss without a Chinese cleaver. This one I've had for probably about nearly 30 years now, and it's still good and excellent for cutting meat. Obviously I have to keep it sharp, and there are videos out there that will show you how to do that. But yes, even if you don't have a Chinese cleaver or you can't get hold of one, then any good sharp knife will do, especially for that cutting meat. Finally, as I said, if you don't have a wok, then obviously a deep sided frying pan will do. This is a non-stick one with a lid, but this is also good to use for certain Chinese recipes, when like your twice cooked pork, etc. You put them on to, you put them in with water and you can let them boil. So that's quite handy. And then obviously a chopping board. You need to chop it. The larger the better, really. This one's kind of two-sided and made out of bamboo, but any chopping board, and make it large. That's it for today's video, and thank you very much for watching. If you did like it, do remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, thank you very much for watching.